Okay, so we've got a question here. 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of y equals 1 over 2 root 2. And we're going to make y the subject using logarithms. Now, the previous video, we did this same question, but without using logarithms. We did it using indices laws. So if you want to see that, check the link below, and the description for that and everything will be in there on how we did it. Okay, right. Now, 2 to the x plus 4 to the y equals 1 over 2 root 2 using logarithms. So the first place to start is to take the log of every term in this equation. So we've got log of 2 to the x plus log of 4 to the y equals log of 1 over 2 root 2. Okay, right, so we've got to get this y out of here somehow. So we can use one of the laws of logarithms to help us out with that straight off, and also with this x here. So what we can say is that log of a to the power of b is the same as b times log of a. So basically this indice can just come out to the front. Okay, so let's do that on these terms. So x log 2, so bringing that to the front, and the same with this one. So that's plus y log of 4, and here we've got log of 1 over 2 root 2. Now we can use another logarithm rule with this one. So what we can say is that log of c over d equals log of c minus log of d. So we just managed to squeeze that in there. So let's write this one as that. So now we've got log of 1, so that's that one, and then minus log of d, that'll be that one, minus log of 2 root 2. Okay, now we've got to try and make y the subject. So let's get the x term on this side. So let's bring the y over here to give us a bit of room. Y log of 4, and now put my equal sign there. Log of 1, now log of 1, we know that is 0. So we can eliminate that term there. So now we've got minus log 2 root 2. And this x log 2, bring it to the side, becomes minus, and that takes care of that. Okay, right, now we've got to try and get this y on its own, so we can divide everybody by the log of 4. So let's do that. So now y equals minus log of 2 root 2 minus x log of 2 divided by the log of 4. Okay, now that is an answer. We've made y the subject, but we can definitely do better than that. We can eliminate the logs. Now you see here we've got a log of 2 here, a log of 2 here, and a log of 4 there. Now log of 4, I can see that's a square number. So if we come back to this law of logarithms, let's just put this in a box to keep it separate. Log of 4, if we use that, what we could say is that the log of 2, sorry, let's write that better, log of 2 squared equals 2 log 2. So that's using that same rule there. So let's rewrite that as that. So now y equals negative log 2 root 2 minus x log 2 over 2 log 2. Okay, now I want to try and get rid of the logs. Now here, this log of 2 root 2, coming back to this, 2 root 2, I can write that as 2 to the power of 3 over 2, because that's 2 to the power of 1 here, and that's 2 to the power of half. So then just adding the indices, I can say that's 2 to the power of 3 over 2. So now I'm going to rewrite that as y equals minus log of 2 to the 3 over 2 minus x log 2 over 2 log 2. Okay, right. Now I can factor out a log of 2 here if I just bring this to the front. So if I just take that away from there and write minus 3 over 2 in front of it, now I can take log of 2 out of it. So let's do that. Okay, so now I've got y equals log of 2. And I've got minus 3 over 2, take that out there, and then minus x. So that's my numerator taken care of. Take a log of 2 out of that one, then I've got log of 2 times 2. And that's great. Now we can get rid of both log terms because they are multiplied, so hence we can cancel them out. Okay, so now let's put the answer up here. So now y equals minus 3 over 2 minus x divided by 2. So let's simplify that up. So that equals minus 3 over 4 minus x over 2. So that's good, that's simplified even more. So now let's try and get rid of these denominators. So let's take a minus a quarter out. So it equals minus 1 over 4. And then I've got 3, and it'll be plus 2x. So plus 2x times minus 1 will be minus 2x over 4, give me that. And then minus 3 times minus 1 over 4, sorry, 3 times minus 1 over 4 give me that. So therefore I'm happy with that as my answer using the laws of logarithms. Okay.